What if you can make these images for your marketing? What if you know the exact prompts to boost your marketing without losing quality? And it saves you time, money, and resources. Attend my Masterclass AI and discover how to set up your social media marketing strategy with AI, how to use ChatGPT Plus and the features web browsing and plugins, how to create stunning images for your social media posts, and all the prompts to make it happen. All this with the 20/80 principle in mind. You'll learn only the 20% of AI to make an 80% impact. Therefore, the masterclass won't be hours and hours of video materials. You'll learn only the parts that help you to reduce time on your marketing and make the quality of your marketing materials better. The investment for this Masterclass AI is now 150 euros. But because you're an early bird, you can join for a limited time while the link still works, the Digital Masterclass AI for 50 euro. Start today with saving time, resources, and money on your marketing by joining the Digital Masterclass AI. Click on the link in the description to apply for the Masterclass AI. If it's not good enough or it does not meet your expectation, then you get a full refund of the Masterclass AI. So start today and turbo boost your productivity with the help of AI. Apply now for the Masterclass AI via the link in the description below this video.